Welcome to NeoGenesis Hub, the center where beauty and reproduction come together in one place. Your sperm cells have shown excellent results. We are pleased to inform you your reproductive value has been upgraded. You have contributed to the continuation of humanity. Now you have access to Premium Plus membership, enhanced DNA-based partner matching, an extended catalog of future child appearances, and priority incubation in our next generation artificial wombs. NeoGenesis Hub, creating beauty and life together with you.